Look what just came in for the R. If you guys don't know, this is a 2019 Honda Civic Type R. And I'm gonna try these, what do they call them? Floor liners, because stock ones, I'd rather just put them away because unboxing. Two in the front, I get one in the back. I guess it's a 4-piece. I thought it was a 3-piece. One long, one in the back. This says don't put them on the existing floor mat. So I'm guessing these are the rears. Somehow, yeah. This is the passenger side. This is the driver's side with the kick plate. And it's got some. Okay. Let's install these. I mean, they feel. I mean, I paid about $100 for these. So don't worry if your floor mats get folded. When coming out of the package, give the floor mats some time to lay down flat to restore the resilience. Restore its resilience. Let's install them. Car's a little dirty, hasn't had its floor mat, so let's see how good the fit is. Shoot, it's almost like this. It was made for these cars. Twist it. This one's gotta get twisted too. Accepts the stock location, even molds to this footrest kick plate. To the rear. So I'm guessing this one has a high side over here for the passenger side right. This one's for the left, I'm guessing. It does have the Honda ones, but not really that great quality. Oh yeah, it just fits, just molds to that freaking shape. Oh, it's too dark in there. It's gonna be nice because I have kids and they're usually in here, as you can see. I was also looking at the WeatherTech, which it was, oh man, look at that, all the way up against the floor brackets, the seat brackets. Perfect. I'm gonna install that center piece. It's the passenger side. I like that they're so deep and they're almost like, how you say it, almost like a catch like a bucket, or like if you spill some drink, or wet feet in here. That's a little flimsy, but I guess we'll see. I'll do an update here in a few months, see if this thing don't get all flimsy or molded over. I've seen the WeatherTechs do that. They get all look like all deformed and like dried leather in a way. Definitely I'm not gonna like this. Huh? Yeah. I would like it was one piece, I guess. Maybe if I had some Velcro on there, but we'll see, because this part keeps this side down. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if it's dark in here, but yeah, this part keeps that down or planted. So yeah, I'm happy so far, I guess. I mean, I've only just installed them. Yeah. So once again, don't know how I feel about this yet, but I'll let time decide that. But I guess, how does it feel? Let's see. It's kind of rough. I mean, not rough, but it's not real slippery. And I'm wearing flip-flops, and so not bad, not bad. Lasfit. I don't know if that's short for like laser fit, but that's the brand. I mean, I paid about $100 for this. I mean, I googled what floor liners for, I mean, according to this is the part number. For these liners, I would have liked if this would have been one piece, like this whole thing, but I mean, I guess it makes it easier for removal. But yeah, I'll probably do, like I said, an update video on what they look like in say 3 or 4 months, or however. Mainly the passenger, because it looked kind of sus over there. But yeah, I'll have a description and the link to those in case you want to check them out. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.